Good morning. I'm Andy Myers at Weiss Research.
I'm Jen Amos, and this is your morning market alert for Thursday, May 26th. Stocks on Wall Street may add to yesterday's gains as investors digest a revised reading of first quarter GDP, as well as the weekly jobless claims numbers. We'll have the results of those reports for you after the opening bell. Around the world, sentiment seems to be improving. Indication that Greece may get a second bailout are easing fears about the European sovereign debt crisis. Germany's finance minister said Greece may need more time to get its house in order, signaling to investors that the debt-stressed country will get more help from the European Union and International Monetary Fund.
Investors are also looking toward France, where leaders of the Group of Eight are gathering for a two-day meeting. Item number 1 on the agenda is to endorse aid to new Arab democracies. Tunisia and Egypt are expected to get a multi-billion-dollar aid package. But another issue that may take center stage is the debate over who will lead the International Monetary Fund. The former managing director, Dominique Strauss-Kahn, resigned last week after being charged with sexual assault in New York. And members of the European Union are backing France's finance minister, Christine Lagarde, for the job. But emerging market economies have lobbied to open up the process to other candidates from different parts of the world. Russia will advance that viewpoint among the G8, which also includes the United States, Canada, Britain, France, Germany, Italy, and Japan.
A couple technology companies are moving in opposite directions this morning after posting quarterly results after Wednesday's closing bell. Shares of Computer Sciences are falling more than 6% after posting a 34% decline in fiscal fourth quarter earnings. The results missed estimates, as did the company's revenue and gross margin. Computer Sciences also gave a cautious forecast for the coming fiscal year. But NetApp is likely to be one of the day's big stock winners. The data storage technology company reported an 11% increase in profit, topping expectations. NetApp also issued an outlook for the current quarter that was ahead of analyst estimates, sending the stock up nearly 4% in the pre-market. Another huge gainer this morning is Guess, jumping 12.5% right now. The retailer posted sharply higher sales in the first quarter and forecasts solid earnings for the full year.
Another retailer is also rising in the pre-market, Tiffany. The luxury brand beat expectations with its first quarter profit and sales figures and said its earnings for the full year will come in well ahead of estimates. Tiffany shares are jumping 4% right now. We're also keeping an eye on shares of Heinz this morning. The food company's fiscal fourth quarter results came in roughly in line with expectations. But Heinz said that it's boosting its quarterly dividend by nearly 7% to $1.92 a share. And finally, moving to the downside this morning is Big Lots, dropping nearly 5% right now. The discount retailer posted an unexpected decline in quarterly net income as sales at its established stores fell and costs rose. Big Lots also cut its earnings outlook for the full year. That's the latest from Weiss Research. We'll be back after the opening bell with all the economic data and market reaction.